The Vivoactive line has long been Garmin's go-to for adaptable, feature-rich fitness watches at an affordable cost. The Vivoactive 5, which was released last year, offered considerable advancements such as an AMOLED display and increased battery life. Rumors are spreading about its likely replacement, the Vivoactive 6. Tech forums are buzzing with anticipation about what new features and upgrades Garmin will deliver. In this video, we'll look at the latest speculations about the Vivoactive 6, including likely release dates and rumored features. So, without further ado, let's start the video. The Garmin Vivoactive 6 is expected to continue its predecessor's stylish, sporty design while perhaps offering two casing sizes. A 42mm variant with a 1.2-inch display and a bigger 45mm option. This would accommodate a greater variety of wrist sizes and preferences. The device is likely to include a vivid AMOLED touchscreen, following the popularity of the Vivoactive 5's display upgrade. Users can expect higher screen resolution and brightness for better visibility in a variety of lighting settings. Customization possibilities may increase, allowing for more customizable watch faces and widgets to meet individual preferences and demands. The Vivoactive 6 could use multi-band GPS technology, which would considerably improve location accuracy for outdoor activities. Garmin may include extra onboard storage for music and apps to meet user demand for increased capacity. The watch's CPU may be upgraded for smoother performance and faster app loading times. Connectivity choices are expected to expand, possibly incorporating Bluetooth 5.3 for improved range and stability. The device is also rumored to include NFC for contactless payments and a built-in microphone for voice commands. These enhancements would make the Vivoactive 6 a more capable wristwatch, bridging the gap between fitness trackers and full-featured wearables. The Vivoactive 6 could benefit from ECG capabilities, which is provided by Garmin's Gen 5 Elevate heart rate sensor. This would enable users to perform on-demand electrocardiograms, a feature currently reserved for higher-end Garmin models. The restoration of the barometric altimeter would allow for more accurate steps counting and elevation tracking during activities such as hiking and skiing. Improved workout animations over a wider range of activity modalities may give consumers with improved instruction during strength training and yoga sessions. The gadget could additionally feature advanced training metrics from Garmin's premium lines, providing greater insight into performance and recuperation. Cycling enthusiasts may benefit from the addition of power meter support, while runners may notice increased pace and distance accuracy thanks to the multi-band GPS. Although the battery life specifications for the Vivoactive 6 are not yet known, Garmin is probably going to concentrate on preserving or enhancing the functionality of the Vivoactive 5. In smartwatch mode, users can anticipate up to 11 days of use and 21 hours of continuous GPS use. Garmin may use more energy-efficient CPUs and software refinements to strike a balance between a brilliant screen and long battery life because the previous model's introduction of an AMOLED display created new power management issues. Furthermore, solar charging capabilities may be added to prolong battery life. Based on Vivoactive's historical release patterns, the upcoming edition could launch in late 2024 or early 2025. However, given the 4-year gap between the Vivoactive 4 and 5, release predictions remain uncertain. Pricing is expected to stay competitive, likely ranging between $300 and $350. This would position the Vivoactive 6 as a mid-range option in Garmin's lineup. As always, the final price will depend on the extent of new features and technologies incorporated into the device. The Garmin Vivoactive 6 seems to be an interesting addition to the popular fitness watch series, with the potential for significant improvements in design, functionality, and performance. The Vivoactive 6 could bridge the gap between mid-range and high-end smartwatches, with dual case sizes and an upgraded display, as well as advanced health tracking functions such as ECG and increased GPS accuracy. While these possibilities are intriguing, keep in mind that they are based on rumors and whispered features. The final device may differ in a variety of ways, including release date and price. For the most accurate and up-to-date information on the Vivoactive 6, we should wait for Garmin's official announcement. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel for more contents like this.